AstroClick Portrait. First, go to astro.com. Then click on Free Horoscopes. Now go to AstroClick Portrait. Here we are. This is a very fun tool, great for learning to interpret the symbols. You can interact with the chart to learn more. Let's click on the moon. Here on the right, we can see the aspects and the house the moon is in. For example, let's click on Moon in Virgo to read some more. We can also click on the lines in between planets. That is called the aspects. You can also click on the signs to learn more about the planets placed there. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial.